I just wanna say, Papa Oshe. 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 Alright, thank you my people. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to play I just wanna say Papa Oshe. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. Please, if you're understanding anything on my channel, don't fail to comment, like, share to your friend. If you can share to thousands of your friends, that is the way you can help me. And don't forget to hit subscribe on this channel for more video. I am going to make sure that you learn keyboard perfect and can play on my own limitage, because nobody is perfect on playing keyboard. We all are just learning. Today we are talking about how to play worship song called I just wanna say Papa Oshe. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. So the progression is very common, and I advise you to watch very carefully to understand this progression. The only thing is that it have to stress your hand. For our left hand, what you have to play is this. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. Just wanna say Papa Oshe. But don't, if he cannot do this, I just use it as a passing chord to 3, which is chord 3, mi. So what the progression is just I just wanna fall Papa so la mi. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. So that to play suspended is advisable. For your right hand, you have to play I just wanna say Papa Oshe. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. But for you to know the progression perfectly, what you have to do is to solo. When you start, the song starts from mi, but though I'm singing on key F, I just wanna say so. So the common progression is that. So for advising, let us play again for you to understand something. So how you can use it with your 2 hands. If you cannot do it perfectly on vamping, I just wanna say. If you want to learn it with your left hand, what you're going to do is this. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. I just wanna say Papa Oshe. So I hope you understand what I'm doing. Just repeat after me. I just wanna say Papa 5 6 3. I just wanna say 5 1. The progression is I just wanna fall Papa 5 4 6 That's the common progression. So start doing it practically for you to understand it. Let us play with the beat again. I just wanna say, Papa oshe. I just wanna say, Papa oshe. I just wanna say, Papa oshe. I just wanna say, Papa oshe.